morning, parents and reception children. Today is your graduation day. Today we celebrate all the hard work that you've put in this year. And it's not been easy. We've been faced with lots of different challenges. You've worked in class bubbles, you've worked on school premises, you've even worked in your own homes. With the help of your teachers and your parents, we've made it to this day, which is the closing of one door and the opening of another. And we want to thank you today for all the warmth and the memories and the learning that we've shared. This past year, we've grown together, and a little bit of you will always be with us. Always strive to be the best that you can. To the parents, we say thank you for allowing us to help your child grow, for supporting us in your child's learning, and for being great teachers yourselves during Baobab at home. It's been an exciting and a rewarding year for all of us. To our reception children, we say, congratulations! Today's your day. You're off to great places. You're off and away.
We're off to great places. Today is our day. Our mountain is waiting. So let's get in our way.
If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there.
There you are, you. Let's swirl and through. There is no one alive. Let's you and you. There are our wishes for you. My wish for year 1 is to make lots of new friends and to learn big words and to read lots of books to expand my mind. My wish for year 1 is to make more friends and to learn more.
My wish for grade 1 is to learn how to read properly.
My wish for grade 1 is to go for my very first school trip. My wish for grade 1 is for no more corona and do some fun experiments. For year 1 is to go on the sky church with my friend, eat marshmallows around the campfire. I wish to be better in swimming. For year 1 is to do fun and exciting things. My wish for year 1 is to read and write and spell better. And also to swim underwater with my eyes open. I wish to play football in year 1. My wish for grade 1 is to have many more adventures. I wish I want to run, play piano. For year 1 is to learn how to read, how to think. I want to learn how to read. Wish for year 1 is to get better at songs and to get better at PE, and I want to read big words and big books. My wish for grade 1 is that all of the work will be easy peasy lemon squeezy. My wish for year 1 is to learn new things. For year 1 is to learn to be kind. My wish for year 1 is to read more storybooks and learn science. My wish is for year 1 is to make new friends. In year 1, I want to do hard work and be a good boy.
I want to fetch country when
My wish is for when I'm at year 1 to count from 1 to 200.
You taught us in a room. You taught us on Zoom. You taught us in our house. You taught us with the mouse. You taught us here and there. You taught us because you care. And now we say thank you.
To the next chapter of their lives, they'd like to say something very special to you. 1, 2, 3, 4.
There's so many things we want to be, so many milestones we want to see. When we put effort, our goals will be met. Remember the superpower of yes.
What a fantastic year we've had in reception. Congratulations. Today is your day. You're off to great places. You're off and away. You have brains in your head. You have feet in your shoes. You can steer yourself in any direction you choose. And will you succeed? Yes, you will indeed. 98.75% guaranteed. There are so many ways you want to grow. So many things you want to know. Boys and girls, remember, where you put your effort, the goal will be met, as long as you remember the superpower of yet. Graduation certificates presented to Reception Gardenia 2021. John Choi, Kian Dugan, Katalea Kadura, Tasia Mwate Kalonga, Abdullah Lembada, Elijah Mudali, Krish Patel, Ezra Rathgaber, Ariella Richmond, Alia Sidat, Nisa Sendano, Yuvash Singh, and Carter Van Rooyen. Congratulations to you all.
Graduation certificates presented to Reception Honeysuckle 2021. Sienna Barrett, Christina Lewis, Elena Lambada, Mason Logan, Mohammed Patel, Jemima Sakala, Mongala Semenova, Jemima Simbei, Achilles Tisolis, Abdullah Umar, Ayan Zakaria. Congratulations to you all.